Hello, I am Riddhi Pawar from VIIT College Pune. We have created College Club's website for our institute. Our aim is to help newly admitted students in finding and joining clubs as per their passion and interest. We have mainly focused on the responsiveness, usability, and performance of our website. We have used jQuery and Bootstrap technology for front-end, whereas JSP Servlet and JDBC for backend. Also, we are using MySQL as database and Apache Tomcat as web server. Now, let's get started. In MySQL database, we have three tables: login, club, and feedback. Login table is used to store admin login details. Club table stores each club's details, where medium block data type is used to store club's icon because it allows us to upload image of size up to 16 MB. Next is feedback table. It stores students' feedback. Now let's see our website. This is our home page. The navigation bar contains links to different sections of the home page, like clubs, and contact us. About page, it displays information of our college, including social media handles. Why Join Us button? It shows importance of clubs in students' overall growth. Then explore all. It displays how our clubs help students to learn soft skills and expand their network. These are the clubs that our students can join. VIIT has different technical, non-technical, social, cultural and organization-based clubs. We can click on any club to see its details. This is Student Empowerment Club. These are its details. You can get updates of upcoming events by following their social media handle accounts. This is the Instagram account of SEC Club. The next section is people associated with us. It contains 4 JavaScript counters. Next is contact us. Here students can provide their feedback. All these fields are mandatory. The name field allows only alphabetical input. If we try to input number, it displays error. Please enter valid name. Next is email ID. This field should contain @ and dot symbols. If either of them is missing, it prompts error. Please enter valid email ID because @ is missing. Now again it displays error because dot is missing. Then mobile number should be of 10 digits. Else it shows please enter valid mobile number. Then here we can provide message. Let's say sample message. When we click on submit, then the feedback will be sent to admin. And all these validations are triggered on the focus in event of input fields. This is a floating button. It can be used to go to the top of this page. Now this is footer. It contains information of our college, navigation links and our team members' names. Now let's go to the admin login. This is login page. Admin has to first provide valid login credentials to access the admin panel. Now let's log in. This is admin dashboard. Using feedbacks option, admin can see students' feedbacks. Live at VIIT option allows admin to access the website, and this is logout option. To create a new club, click on the floating button at the bottom right corner. This is the default icon of club. Provide all the necessary information and click on the create button to create new club. All existing clubs are displayed in the dashboard. To edit or view details of a club, click on it. Now, to update the information, click on the pencil icon, or if you want to delete the club, click on the bean icon. Now, all details are in the editable mode. Once changes are done, click on the Save Changes button. Now, let's log out.